Good morning, students. Yesterday we started topic tenses and we have done present tense, and we have also done types of the tenses. First is present tense, second is past tense, third is future tense. First we will do all parts of present tense, and yesterday the video which I shared with you, we have done present indefinite tense or simple present tense and its uses. Its uses means where to use this tense, any simple present tense, where to use. Today we are going to do present continuous tense or present progressive tense. First we will do its formation and then its usage. Present continuous tense or present progressive tense. Its formation is subject plus ismr plus v4. v4 means v1 plus ing. Okay बेटा. नेक्स्ट वी सब्जेक्ट आई के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? एम. सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, if subject is singular then is, if subject is plural then we will use are. Okay, just I am writing a letter. She is going to school. These two sentences are of affirmative type. ठीक है. Now I am going to tell negative sentence. I am not writing a letter. Am is helping verb and not is always used after the helping verb. Not is situated between helping verb and main verb. Here main or finite verb is right verb and helping verb is am. She is not writing a letter. Is helping verb, right is main verb. In the same way, in interrogative sentence, we will take helping verb at the very beginning of the sentence. Are they playing football? That is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentences, we put helping verb at the very beginning of the sentence. Is, am, are. These three verbs all are helping verbs and these three are of the part of be. Is, am, are. And these three are used in present tense. And three forms of the verb be: was, been, being. That is participle form. This is present form and these are the is, am, are. These three are in present tense and this was and were. This is used in past tense and this is in perfect tense. Okay beta. Next we are going to do the tense present perfect. first I will tell you the formation of this tense is subject plus has, have plus V3 plus object. Suppose they have done their homework. They is subject, have is helping verb, done is main verb, there is pronoun, homework is object. So, formation of this sentence, formation of this tense, present perfect tense, subject, has, have. Has is used with singular noun, singular subject, singular noun. Have is used with plural subject, plural noun. And you know, in each of the perfect tense, we will use V3, perfect form of the verb, and plus object, then we will complete the sentence. Now I make a negative sentence. Has she read this novel? This is interrogative sentence. And next is, has he not completed? Has he not completed his work? This is both interrogative plus negative. If the sentence is interrogative and negative both, then we will put helping verb at the very beginning of the sentence, then subject, and then not. Not will be used after the subject, then main verb or finite verb, and then non-finite verb or pronoun or object, whatever they. But in the formation of the sentence, we always begin with the subject in affirmative sentences, and in interrogative sentences, we will begin the sentence with the helping verb. Okay, beta? So, these are the examples of this tense, present perfect tense. These are the formation of these sentences. Now, we will read the where to use these tenses. Uses of present continuous tense. It means where to use. So, where to use? In what situation we will use this tense? First, when the work is in continuity. She is reading a poem. While I am speaking, while I am telling this, she is reading a poem. At the very time, she is reading the poem. Second sentence. When we are speaking about that work is not continuity. That work is not a progress. He is building a new house. When I am talking to you about his action, he is building a new house. He is not building his new house. But in those days, when I am talking to you, he is building a new house. They are writing a novel. When I am speaking, when I am telling you, they are writing a novel. It is not necessary at the very time when I am telling you they are writing a novel. but in these days they are writing a novel. So there is no need to be continue or in action the verb when I am speaking to you, when I am telling to you. For near future planning, we have planned any action in near future. I am meeting him tomorrow. जब कोई एक्शन हैबिट में है लेकिन वो रेगुलर हैबिट है उसकी, देन वी विल यूज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. बट एक्शन बार बार वही हो रहा है, रैंडमली हो रहा है, देन वी विल यूज प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज रिपीटेडली मेकिंग द सेम मिस्टेक. रिपीटेडली बार बार वह वही मिस्टेक करता है या कर रहा है, देन वी विल यूज सिंपल और प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. Next we are doing where to use present perfect tense. The action which has been completed just now, where we will use the present perfect tense. I have already taken my meal. We have won the match.